But the rules matter. Rules define our civilization. And if the rules say the rich can take from the poor, there are a lot of rich people who will justify that by saying, but it says in the law I can do so. And you will have religious people. You know, one of the stories I tell in the book is about the Hilton family. Now, most people think the Hiltons are rich because of Hilton hotels. Not true. Conrad Hilton, the founder, left his fortune to the poor children of the earth. Even before he was dead, his son Baron was plotting to take that money away. And Conrad Hilton said before he died to his lawyer, you know, Baron's got too damn much money. And he kept reducing the amount of money going to Baron. Well, within 10 days of Conrad Hilton's death, Baron Hilton put in place his plan to take the fortune away from poor children for himself. He was fought by the other executor of the estate, his father's lawyer. He was fought by the California Attorney General. He was fought by some nuns until they were shut down by Archbishop, now Cardinal Mahoney in Los Angeles, who you often can see in the presence of Baron Hilton. I wrote about it in the Los Angeles Times at the time. The IRS turned down Baron Hilton, and they all said, this is nonsense. He finally got a court decision, the very same court, by the way, that ruled that in the Gumbiner case that he could buy the charity for a fraction of its real value. He got a decision that ignored what the will said, misstated the facts horribly, and muddied the waters. And Baron Hilton took that and went to the other parties and said, you should settle with me. And they decided that that was the smart thing to do in view of this decision. So for his lifetime, he got 60% of the income to go to poor children. Now think about this. This is Baron Hilton, who is portrayed frequently in the news media as this very pious Catholic. You may recall that Paris Hilton actually saw to it that she was photographed carrying her Bible. Although when Larry King asked her on national television to say something that was in the Bible, she couldn't cite you a single fact. And the rules matter.
How about Jesus wept?
And yes, and you could get some real simple short ones.
Yeah.
But the rules matter. And I cite the Hiltons because this is, I think, the extreme example of the rules and behavior. I mean, this is a case of literally snatching money out of the mouths of starving children so that you can have $50 million a year of income. Yeah. And yeah, I'll make a moral statement about it. I think that's not appropriate conduct, but I'm sure there are listeners out there who will disagree.
This excerpt is brought to you by the Massachusetts School of Law, the leader of reform in legal education and a leader in multimedia education for the public. To view the full interview and for a full listing of MSL's programs, log on to mslaw.edu.